Are you working hard, but somehow your bank balance never grows? You might be falling into money traps that silently drain your wealth every single day. In this video, I'll reveal 5 money traps that are keeping you broke, and how to break free from them starting today. Let's get into it. Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. The moment your income goes up, your expenses also rise: new gadgets, fancy dinners, luxury cars. But if your spending grows as fast as your income, you'll never build wealth. Instead, treat every raise or bonus as an opportunity to invest, save, or pay off debt. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Trap 2. Easy credit and debt cycles. Credit cards and loans feel convenient, but high interest rates can trap you in endless debt cycles. Paying only the minimum balance is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. A smart move. Use credit cards only if you can pay in full each month, and prioritize clearing high-interest debt first. Trap 3. Ignoring budgeting. Not tracking your money is like driving blindfolded. Without a budget, you don't realize how much slips away on coffee runs, subscriptions, and impulse buys. Create a simple budget, even a 50/30/20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Budgeting gives you control and clarity. Trap 4. No emergency fund. One unexpected medical bill, car repair, or job loss, and suddenly, you're swiping credit cards or borrowing money. That's why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Start small, aim for $500 to $1,000, and slowly build to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This cushion protects you from financial chaos. Trap 5. Only saving, never investing. Saving is good, but if all your money just sits in a bank, inflation slowly eats it away. To grow wealth, you must invest, whether in index funds, real estate, or even your own skills. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound interest work for you. These 5 money traps keep millions stuck in the cycle of being broke. Break free by living below your means, avoiding debt traps, budgeting, building a safety net, and investing for growth. Which of these traps have you fallen into before? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on building financial freedom.